Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this video is on function composition. We just started learning about it last couple of days, right? And I decided to focus on one of the difficult problems on yesterday's worksheet. So this was problem number 8. And the thing I want you to notice is what makes it difficult is going to be this n cubed here, as you'll find out. So in class we learned about what does g of f mean? That composition function, what does g of f mean? Well, what that really means is I'm going to take g, so I'm going to use red, guys, for g. So g is red, okay? So if we look at function g, doesn't it say I'm going to take something to the third power and then add 4 to it? Excuse me. And so what is g of f? Well, that means we're going to take f, which I'm going to show in green here, and g of f means f goes inside of g. So notice m plus 3 goes inside of g, and hence we will have g of f, right? Okay, well, what makes this tricky is, of course, look at this right here. I actually have to do m plus 3 cubed. What does m plus 3 cubed mean? It means m plus 3 times m plus 3 times n plus 3, doesn't it? So, in other words, I'm going to have to multiply that out. So let's start out by doing the first two binomials together. Hopefully we're very good at this by now. That's n squared. That's 3n. That's 3n again. And that's finally plus 9. So we actually have, let me put a plus in there. So what we really have there is n squared. The 3 and 3 make 6n, right? Plus 9. Now let's times it with the other n plus 3 there. So let me put that in front. And once we multiply this, we will have n plus 3 cubed. Now some of you have never probably even seen a 2 by 3 done. But here it goes. N will times n squared because that's n cubed, right? N will times 6n. That's a 6n squared. N will finally times the 9 and give me 9n. So basically I distributed the end there. So now what? Well, don't I have to distribute the 3? 3 times n squared is another 3n squared. 3 times 6n, 18n. Ran out of room there, guys, sorry. 3 times 9, 27. Whew! We're almost done doing m plus 3 cubed. So, what do we end up in the end? I end up with an n cubed. The 6n squared and the 3n squared is 9n squared. The 9 and the 18n is 27n. And finally I have plus 27. Ooh, so we finally got m plus 3 cubed done. Don't forget we have this 4 right here to add on to it as well. So what we end up with finally is n cubed plus 9n squared plus 27n plus 27 and 4 is 31. And so we finally got g of f, but wait a minute, follow the light blue, guys. It's telling us to evaluate at 2. Oh man, that means we have to plug 2 in. So I'm going to do 2 cubed plus 9 times 2 squared plus 27 times 2, plus 31. 2 cubed is 8. 2 squared 4 times 9 is 36. 27 times 2 right here is 54 plus 31. And now we can finally add everything together. Let's see here, I'll change colors here. So 8 and 36 is 44. 44 and 54 is 98. 98 plus 31, I guess I better do my math here real quick, just to make sure. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes along the way, is 129. Whoa. So, now you know why I told you I wanted to save it for a video. But guys, I want to show you a way which you'll appreciate even more. But first of all, guys, pause the video if you need to catch up with your notes. Okay, so assuming I did everything correctly, we got 129, right? Well, let's start over again, but this time let's go a little bit more cleverly here. What does g of f of 2 really means, guys, is I'm going to do g on f of 2, you see? So what I'm suggesting is let's do f of 2 first. So here's f up here, follow the green. Isn't f of 2 just simply 2 plus 3, which is 5? Okay. So if f of 2 is 5, can't I take 5 and plug it back into g? And we will have g of f of 2. So let's see what we get now. So what I really am going to do now is g of 5, because 5 is the same thing as f of 2, right? So what's g of 5? Well, follow the purple this time, guys. G of 5 will be 5 cubed plus the 4. Wow, this is much simpler than this mess, isn't it? And isn't 5 to the third 125? If not, if you don't trust me, guys, do it on your calculator. And what's 125 plus 4? Woo, finally got done. 129, right? And guess what? That's the same answer as what we got there, isn't it? So guys, what I'm hopefully showing you in this video is there's a couple ways to do a problem like this. Sticking with this one here first, what I did again, let me erase this here real quick if you don't mind. There we go. But what I basically did again, guys, is did I not, I'll use red here, did I not first find f of 2, and then once I found f of 2 was 5, did I not take 5 and plug the 5 back in here with the g? And down here you can see with the g of 5 to find our answer. Again, you also could have, like this one, found g of f first and then plugged in the 2 to find your eventual solution. So anyways, guys, I hope you made sense out of this. Until next time, bye.